Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable game mode for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN application and now click on your earbuds here. And right here in the third line we have game mode, so to enable it just click at the slider near to it, and if you can see that this slider have color background, it means that this mode enabled, so to disable click again on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!